Question number 217 contains duplicate. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. So looking at the first example, we have the array 1, 2, 3, and 1. In this example, 1 appears twice, so it would return true. The second example, we have the array 1, 2, 3, and 4. Every single element in this array is distinct, so it should return false. Now, to understand the best solution for this algorithm, you need to understand the hash set, which is a data structure that provides constant lookup time due to its nature of using hash tables under the hood. Also, hash sets do not allow you to add any duplicates to the data structure. So looking at a general pseudocode for this, we could first declare an empty set. And this would store all of our elements as we iterate through. And then we'll loop through all the array elements. And for each element in the array, we will first make an if check. If it is not in the set already, we'll add it to the set. Else, that means this element has already been in the set, which means we've seen it already. So we would return true, as there would be duplicates. And then finally, if this loop continues through all the way and there's all distinct elements, then we want to return false. So taking this pseudocode, let's apply it to this first example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll have this set right here, and we'll use this array right here. So to start, the first iteration takes the first one and puts it in set. The second iteration takes 2 and puts it in the set. The third iteration takes 3, puts it in the set. Fourth iteration takes 4. Finally, we've iterated through everything. Nothing has appeared twice, so it returns false. Now let's look at the first example again. So we have our set, starts at 0. First thing points to 1, add 1 to the set. First thing points to 2, adds 2 to the set. Finally points to 3, puts 3 in the set. Now it points at 1. Looking down at our pseudocode, oh, look at that. It's in the set, so it does not add. It goes to the else branch and it will return true, which means there is a duplicate. So when it's on this iteration, it returns true. Using this simple pseudocode, let's go code up the best optimal solution. Okay, so starting off, we want to create our empty set here. So I'm going to do that. And then we want to iterate in the array of nums. Within each element, we want to check, is that element not in our set already? And if it's not in that set, we want to add it to the set. So we're going to use this handy method here. Finally, if it already is in the set, meaning that we've seen it already, that means it's a duplicate. So we want to return true. And then finally, after all these iterations, and if the loop ends, that means every element is distinct, and we want to return false. So let's go ahead and submit this. And there we go. Beats 74% of users of Python 3. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to learn more about this problem here, then click on it. Thank you very much.